Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Now, this video is about our upcoming commodities exchange, whereby around 20% of the work is done. As we understand that commodities is one of the largest markets in the globe. I think more than largest markets in the globe. This is what I can say about commodities. Commodities is all about, I can say that, standing today on and in fact, I don't think that any bank in the world is able to exactly calculate how much is the quantum of the commodities every day. If I go as per BIS, Bank for International Settlement, the daily spot and the forward volume is around 6.5 trillion, according to their trial survey. Trial survey means happen after 3 years. And the 6.5 trillion is around 50% of the GDP of the China. Precisely around 40% GDP of US. But no one is sure that how big is the commodities. According to me, commodities is much bigger, and I think the size in the commodities market is several $1 trillion. Way above the, I would say, the currencies, In that sense, as of now, we are having a very small learning desk in commodities, and which we are trying to expand via our commodity exchange, and hopefully, God willing, we would be linking this with our bot called Julia, and we would be definitely linking this with our app as well. Now, what exactly is happening is we have divided our commodity exchange into 9 parts, which is precious metals, base metals. Precious metals cover gold, silver, uranium, titanium, and all. Base metals cover, copper, tin, lead, nickel, brass, and all. Soft commodities is all about agriculture commodities, and here we are introducing a concept called crush spreads. Now, crush spreads is a really technical thing, and it is often used in agriculture. While in gases, we are introducing NG and other gases. NG stands for natural gas. Petroleum and crude desk, where we are introducing crack spreads. Crack/frac spreads. COMEX desk, we are introducing the how to trade in the COMEX market from a trading angle, which includes CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, London Mercantile and Exchange and all. Now, this COMEX desk also include arbitrage, to be honest. How to create arbitrage. So we will give trainings how to give arbitrage. Hedge accounting, Marine desk means shipping and all. Hedge accounting we will explain later, and global commodity indexes like Reuters is having their own commodity index, Bloomberg having own commodity index, and there are multiple commodity indexes we have across the globe. I'm not saying that all of them are correct, but this is how it goes. Now, a very important thing which I would like to let you know in our commodity exchange definitely is that in our commodity exchange, we are introducing few important things. Number one, which we are ready to introduce, is the crush spread. Now, crush spread means that it is a spread which is basically used for agriculture. Now, crush spread is often used by companies, those who are dealing in the agriculture commodities. And I hope you heard about a very good concept called crack spread. Now, crack spread, also known as refining margins. It is often used by it is crack spreads and refining margins. It is often used by the petroleum companies. While the crush spread is used by the agriculture companies. While there is another spread called frac spread. Frac spread is used by gases company. So predominantly there are three kind of spreads that we have in the market. One is known as the crush spread, crack spread, and the frac spread. Now crush spread is agriculture, frac spread is refining margin, while frac spread is used for gases. Our commodity exchange would be launching all three together, right? Number one, this is the most important thing which we are planning to launch as a part of our commodity exchange. With due respect, today only big commodity exchanges of the globe are actually trading in these kind of stuff. Another important thing which we would like to introduce, and that is really very important, is soft commodities. In soft commodities, we would be launching all forms of agriculture. There are a variety of agriculture exchanges we have across the globe. In India, we have one thing which is NCDEX. They deal in agriculture actually. Another important thing which we are planning to launch is, like I told you, which is COMEX Desk. In COMEX Desk, we are planning to launch, which is CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. We are planning to launch LME, London Metal Exchange. We are planning to launch Shanghai Commodity Exchange. We are planning to launch Dalian Commodity Exchange. And last but not the least, Singapore Commodity Exchange. How exactly they work, how you can take up a position, how to create the arbitrage between these exchanges, and so on and so forth. I don't know how many of you even understand or not, but let me tell you guys, if I speak about iron ore or steel contracts, example, you have a huge spread between these exchanges. I'm not saying that these spreads always exist. I don't want to convey this, but what I wanted to say, those who are arbitrators, like that in currency market, in fact in commodities market also, there are three kind of players. One is the natural hedgers. They are the company who take position and forget. Another is definitely the I would say the arbitrators, those who just see buy one exchange, sell another exchange. And third is definitely the the speculators, those who speculate, and they are taking most risky position, to be honest. Fourth, which we are very well launching in commodity exchange, is definitely CTRM, which is commodities trading risk management. We are also planning to launch ETRM, which is energy trading risk management. And here we have decided our path like this. The first, we would be launching the Excel solvers, and I think they are more or less ready. Of course, there is no end of perfection. Then we would be slowly converting them Excel solvers in various softwares. and then we would be converting them into big softwares. And hopefully in 2021 we would be a very small time software company. Let's see how this shapes up. But we understand that how exactly commodities trading risk management work. We fully understand that how exactly it works. And what exactly we would be launching in, we working how, which is definitely the hedge accounting piece. Hedge accounting is the largest piece we are having in the world, whether it is foreign exchange, currencies and all. So let me show you something before I wind up that video. But specifically we are targeting in hedge accounting. Now in hedge accounting, what are we targeting? We are targeting using both US GAAP, which is FAS 133157, or I would say IFRS 7,9,13. And in this, our endeavor is really very clear. The first, we would be launching the Excel solvers. Then we would be launching a very small software. And then we would be launching a big size software. This is what we would be launching in the hedge accounting piece. So basically our commodity exchange would be covering total 9 taxes, which we told you, plus cross spreads, plus frac spread, plus crack spread, plus the gases, plus the COMEX, plus the hedge accounting. And of course in this we also adding US GAAP, IFRS, and here we are adding CTRM and ETRM. Now in this whole exercise, what we exactly planning to be completed in 2 months of time, and what all we are planning is that the information piece, followed by learnings, courses, trainings. They all would be live by February 2021. while the trading it would be live in 2022. This is what it's all about. If you have any question, you can definitely WhatsApp us. Note our WhatsApp number 9818485155. I repeat 9818485155. And our commodity exchange is surely on the cards as early as possible. We don't expect to be like as big as Chicago Mercantile Exchange and London Mercantile Exchange. Of course, their expertise is way beyond, but maybe over the period of the time, we would definitely serve. Have a great time. Talk soon.